Hey friends, if you wish to know about turn Windows features on or off or manage the Windows optional features, then please watch this video. So, while we have a lot of features in Windows and we can manage them through Windows settings, there are a lot of features which are not supposed to be accessed by general public, though you can change them, but they are not easy access to general public. So to access them, search for Windows features and click on turn Windows features on or off. Now, there are a lot of Windows features like the .NET framework, which is usually disabled by default. Then we have Internet Information Services. And after that, we have legacy components like Direct Play, which have been phased out, but you can use them. There are also few media features like the Media Player app. You can remove it from here if you want to. I don't need it, so that is why I would prefer to remove it. And then you have Microsoft Print to PDF. This feature was enabled by default since it does not need a lot of system space. You can use it. Microsoft XPS document viewer, if you want it, you can use it. And then we have printed document services. So if you are using the printer, then this service needs to be on. After that, we have the remote services, which are required by the remote differential compression API. Then we have this option for simple TCP/IP services like echo and daytime. I'll tell you something, this is not the usual TCP/IP protocol, so it is not required, but if you need it, then you can check it. As for SMB1, now this option should never be checked or else it will make your system vulnerable to ransomware. But we have this option, but we don't access it. Telnet is associated with the network, so if you need it, then you need it. Otherwise, you do not need it. TFTP client is associated with system security, and a virtual machine platform and Windows hypervisor platforms. These two are needed if you're using a virtual machine on your system. And then if this Windows Identity Foundation is also a feature which is required by a few users. Windows PowerShell is activated by default. It was supposed to be a replacement for command prompt, but is used in tandem with it. And there are a few more options which are related to file system and Linux, so you can use them if required. And finally, you can use the work folders client. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.